This is Steve Kelley from the Iris Network, and today we're going to be talking about a free downloadable program for screen magnification called Desktop Zoom. And I've installed Desktop Zoom on a USB thumb drive. It will not open automatically. It's something that you have to find on the thumb drive and open it yourself. So what I've done is I've plugged in my thumb drive, and I'm just going to wait for the folder dialog box to open, and we'll just go through it from start to finish. Okay, I've got the removable disk G is up here, and what I'm looking for is open folder to view files, and I'm going to double click on that. I have Desktop Zoom listed under its own directory. I'm going to click on Desktop Zoom, and there you can see the application Desktop Zoom, and I'm just double clicking on that to open it up. The default is the start button, so all I have to do is tap enter to start, or you could move the mouse over and click on it, and we have magnification. Let's take a look at what some of the default keyboard shortcuts are. If you hold down the control and push the mouse wheel away from you, that is going to decrease your magnification. If you move it towards you, it will increase the magnification. Let's select a couple magnification for right now. Take a look at some of the other keyboard shortcuts. The Alt keys. The Alt keys work with the number pad keys, and you can see there are quite a few of them here that are set as defaults. So let's take a look at these one at a time. Alt plus the plus key on the number pad will increase your magnification in increments of 25%. The Alt button plus the minus key decreases magnification. If you'd like to turn the magnifier off, Alt plus / or the divide sign turns it off, and this could be really handy if you need to see the full-size screen periodically as you're working. So to turn it back on, it's Alt plus the asterisk sign, and that takes us through most of the keyboard shortcuts. There is no shortcut invert colors. What you need to do is click on the Color tab, look for Invert Colors, select with the mouse, and your colors have been switched. Let's go back. There are also several levels of grayscale that you could choose. You probably noticed, and if you haven't, the mouse changed as soon as magnification started. The default was a little bit larger mouse, and it's yellow. That said, by clicking on the mouse tab, there are a lot of options. You can increase the size of the mouse further. You could add a crosshair to it. The default is to hide the real mouse. I'm just going to take this off. I have no idea why you would want to have the real mouse showing, but if you do, just unclick that, and that will enable the real mouse. You'll end up with two mice on the screen. Just want to quickly show you one of the things that I've discovered using Zoom and Microsoft Word. Once Microsoft Word is open, even though you can see the caret clicking or flashing on the screen, the mouse has disappeared, so it makes it really difficult to use. So let's go back and look on the settings page here and find out what we can do to make this a little more usable. I've discovered by going to the Tracking tab and clicking on MS Word caret, then I'm going to go to the mouse and select that crosshair again. I'm going to go back to the Word document, and we'll open the Word document. Even though the mouse has not reappeared, with crosshair I now have the ability to, for example, move behind the word typing, click, and move the caret there. Or I can go down to the word XP, click behind it. So I've been typing. This makes it a little bit more useful. Again, not sure why that happens, but it's a free program, so if this is the workaround, that's pretty good. Speech on Desktop Zoom is okay if all you need is to have the program speak file menus or whatever the mouse is hovering over. If you need it to read documents, Desktop Zoom is probably not the application for you. It will occasionally read in MS Word or Notepad what the mouse is hovering over, but not consistently. That said, file menus, desktop items, all of those things are read consistently, and you can choose from whatever speech engine happen to be on your machine. To download a copy of this, you can simply go to Google and type in Desktop Zoom as one word, or you can go to the home page for Desktop Zoom, which is http://users.telnet.be/littlegems, LITTLEGEMS. Hope you've enjoyed this and have fun using Desktop Zoom.